Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today. Today in the daily newspaper of Saturday. Yes, it's Saturday. Weekend, July the 10th, 2021. We have here in this additional with extra Sudokus and puzzles, 7 extra puzzles or Sudokus. The first one, a letter Sudoku. Second one, a 2-star Sudoku. 3-star Sudoku, 4-star Sudoku. Then we have a tectonic with 4 stars. Binary puzzle, number 1. Only number 1, yes. And a tectonic 1 star. Total of 7 extra Sudokus. Well, my plan is to solve today, on Saturday, for 4 Sudokus. I will start with the 3 stars, the 4 stars. Then a tectonic with 4 stars, and a binary puzzle. Tomorrow, on Sunday, we don't have any newspaper, so I will do the rest of the puzzles in this additional. So the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, and the tectonic with 1 star I will solve. But first, we will solve this one, the 3-star Sudoku, and this will be number 3076. Alright, before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me count 4 plus 2. 6 plus 3, 9, 10, 14 plus 5, 19, 20, 23, 25. Correct, 25 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. Which number can I pick? How about the number? Yeah. The number. Let me start with 6. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there's 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. Then, yeah. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below, so on the last row. The only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there's 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in the last column, 7 in that column, so the column between. The only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there's 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in the first row, 7 in the third row, so in the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there's 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there's 7, no 7 there, here 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there, and all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 1 and number 7. Alright. Then. Yeah. We have 8 in this column, the last column, 8 in the column next, so in that column, the only place for the 8 should be there. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in the second row. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 5. We have a 1 and a 5 in this big square, so no 1 and a 5 in these 2 boxes. The 1 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes, 1 and a 5. We see here 1 in this big square, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes here. 2 numbers left in the second row. 1, 2, the 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and the 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Alright. Alright. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 8 and the 9. We have 8 and a 9 in this third column. So no 8 and a 9 in these two boxes. The 8 and the 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 8 and a 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 3, 2 and 3. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those two boxes. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. That means the other two numbers in this column are the numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4. 1 and 4 are missing. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Alright, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 in these two boxes. So 1 box left in this big square for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left now in this big square for the numbers 1 and 5. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Alright, so we have a 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so in the row below. The only place for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Alright. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing, 5, and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only place for the 4 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 2 and 6. 2 and 6, we see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 5 and 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Then how about these two numbers in the middle row? Those two numbers are the numbers 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2 and 8. 2 and the 8. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place for the 2 should be there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 3. Alright. 2 missing numbers in the third row for the numbers 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing. 5 and a 6. 4 and a 6. 4 and a 6. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 6 goes there. Alright. 2 missing numbers in this column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing. 7 and 8. 6 and the 8 are missing. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. Alright. So we have 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the column between the middle column. The only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the last row. 8 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 8. Alright. 2 missing numbers in the second column. For the numbers 1, 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. So we have a 2 in this row, 2 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here. Oh, there we see that 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And all the 2's are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 2. All right. All right. All right. Then 2 numbers left in the last column. For the numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and the 4 in the last column. 3 and the 4, we see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. So we have 3 in the last row, 3 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3. The 4 and the 5 are missing. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 5 and 1. 5 and 1 are missing in this big square. 5 and a 1. We see there 5. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 box left in this row for the number 1. 1 box left in the last row for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 3 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a 4. 3 and a 4. No, 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3 and a 9. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 9 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 and the 9. 6 and the 9 are missing. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 goes here, and the 6 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Wow. For 3 stars Sudoku, it's a very fast Sudoku to solve. Because for a 3 stars Sudoku, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Well, is this a 3 stars? No. Is this a 2 stars? No. For 2 stars, 15 to 20 minutes. So I'm faster than 15 minutes. So it's a 1 star. Yeah. And I'm very pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the second Sudoku, a 4-star Sudoku it will be. See you then. Bye bye for now.